Owners of PHEVs equipped with a Mitsubishi remote control system can remotely control some functions of their vehicle. All they have to do is install the Mitsubishi Connect app on their smartphone. In this video, we'll show how to schedule charging times to take advantage of lower charging costs during off-peak hours. Start by downloading and installing the Outlander PHEV app, which features several remote control functions that are made available via the wireless network. Open the app. Now let's set a charging timer. Start by selecting the timer icon at the bottom of the phone screen. Now you see Timer Settings at the top. Select Charging. Here you see 5 available charging time slots. Let's select number 2. And now you can see the Schedule 2 setting screen shows Start Time and End Time setting dials that are in military or 24-hour time. Let's set it for the weekend at 1800 hours or 6 p.m. Select On for the full charge option, and now we need to send these instructions to the vehicle. Press Send, which will give you the completed screen to confirm the new schedule. To remove or turn off a schedule, you must go back to the timer settings, turn the schedule off, then hit Send again to confirm the change with the vehicle. You'll always see a completed message that confirms your changes have been made and received by the vehicle. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to set your charging times. Enjoy your PHEV experience and feel free to learn more about your PHEV in our videos, your quick reference guide, and your Mitsubishi Owner's Manual. Thanks for watching.